Hey guys, what's going on? Your old buddy Tim back in the Revolved Realty studio. On the program today, we are going to talk about the difference between credit repair and debt consolidation. And that's coming right up. Hey guys, what's going on? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Your old buddy Tim back in the Revolved Realty Studios. Bit of a brain blur there. Hey, today we are talking about the difference between credit repair and debt consolidation. Now, both have to do with your credit score, but they both have very different effects on your credit score. So let's talk about, first off, credit repair. Typically, credit repair is just that, steps that you take to repair and improve your credit so you can raise that FICO score so you can qualify for a home mortgage. Now, I talk a lot on this channel about credit repair. You can find other videos, just look around below. But here's what that means. Let's say you are wanting to qualify for a home mortgage, but your credit score is really not, it's not bad, but it's not up to stuff. Let's say that you need to get it up to a certain point. There are steps that you can take, and you can do this individually, or you can work with someone like my friend Stephen Allen at the mortgage firm, who can not only get you the best mortgage, but can help you improve your credit to get that mortgage. And those steps might include making sure all your accounts are current, closing old accounts, paying off accounts, a variety of things you can do, but you're taking steps to positively improve your credit score, your FICO, so you can qualify for a home mortgage. So that's what credit repair and improvement is. On the other side of the coin is debt consolidation, and people get these confused quite a bit. Debt consolidation means this. You find yourself in a situation where your debt is overwhelming. You might have lost your job. It might have been a healthcare issue. You might have just fallen behind. Credit is so easy to get. It makes it so easy to get in trouble. So it may be that your debt is overwhelming you, and one of the things you can do, and again, you can do this on your own, or you can use a service, is you do debt consolidation. Basically, this is where you take all of your debt, your credit cards, your car payments, your home mortgage, etc. You put them all into a ball. You contact your creditors and say, look, I'm having a rough time. I can't meet the minimum payments. I need some relief. I'm going to pay you. I just need some time and some help. And so typically you can negotiate it down where you're going to make a less of a payment every month. You may have to stretch that schedule out, but you consolidate those debts and then you negotiate with your creditors to pay a reduced amount for a certain amount of time. Now, as you would expect, debt consolidation can have a negative effect on your credit score. You're reducing payments that you owe. You might even be trying to negotiate a removal of money owed, that sort of thing. Debt consolidation, in my mind, is really one step away from bankruptcy. And it will have the negative effect on you. If you go bankrupt, that's going to be on your credit score 7 years. Well, debt consolidation, especially, those are going to be listed as late payments, that sort of thing. It is going to negatively affect your credit score as well. That's not going to help you get a home mortgage, okay? That is just to help you get some relief if you are overwhelmed by your debt. So those are the two things, and the big difference between them. Credit repair and improvement involves you taking positive steps to get your credit score up so you can qualify for a home. Debt consolidation means you're overwhelmed by debt, you need some relief, and it's going to negatively affect your credit score and your ability to get a house. Hey, I mentioned Stephen Allen at the mortgage firm. Stephen is really great, as I said, at not only getting you a home mortgage, but working with you to repair your credit. And it may take months. It may take a year. Stephen and his team at the mortgage firm is there to help you. If you mentioned that you heard about Stephen and the mortgage firm on the program, Stephen's going to pay for your home appraisal when it comes time to buy your house. That's about a $450 saving. So the other sponsor on our show show, my good friend Stan McDonald and his team at Jacob Title. Jacob Title will work with you. They'll get you closed quickly, easily, with the minimal amount of effort and pain from you. And if you mention to Stan that you heard about Jacob Title on the program, he's going to knock $100 off your closing costs. So, all right, guys, I hope that was helpful. If you have questions, please leave them below. If you would like to talk to me about qualifying for a home mortgage or things you can do to improve your credit, I'm easy to find, guys. I'm everywhere. My phone number is 679-0704, tim@Revolved. And, of course, you can find out more at revolved.com. All right, I hope that was helpful. If I can do anything for you when it comes to real estate, give me a call. I'll see you later.